BAIC's new off-roader has Mercedes fans doing a double take. The new BJ81 SUV doesn't bother hiding its mix of Jeep, Land Rover, and Mercedes cues, right down to the proportions. The SUV replaces the BJ80 and launches in China in late 2026. Power comes from 2.3 L4 and 3.0 L six-cylinder turbo engines. BAIC has been turning out some interesting vehicles in China, both through its Arxfox sub-brand and its joint venture partnership with Hyundai. Alongside those collaborations, the company also develops a few of its own BAIC-branded models. The newest of these, carrying the BJ81 nameplate, has just appeared in a fresh set of images. And yes, it looks like BAIC raided the design departments of a Jeep Wrangler, Land Rover Defender, and Mercedes-Benz G-Class, then stitched the results together with a straight face and called it their own. The new model is set to replace the existing BJ80, which was recently displayed in a military spec version in China. Local sources suggest BAIC has penciled in the BJ81's official debut for the third quarter of 2026. That may seem distant, but several images have already leaked online, giving an early look at what's to come. In general, the BJ81 looks quite similar to the BJ80, but does seem a little more refined and slightly less like a complete rip-off of the Mercedes G-Wagon. Showcased as a blacked-out design model with heavily tinted windows, the BJ81 features a black grille and reworked circular LED headlights that strongly echo Stuttgart's favorite boxy SUV. It is also rocking a new front bumper, which definitely looks the part. Viewed from the side, the BJ81 looks very similar to the older BJ80 and features flared front and rear wheel arches, side steps, and chunky door handles. Found at the rear is a spare wheel carrier, a split tailgate, and square taillights. This display model also features a set of Brembo brakes with cross-drilled rotors. The new BJ81 is expected to carry over the same powertrains as before, with a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder and a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 on offer. The smaller engine currently produces 231 horsepower and 254 lb-ft, 345 Nm, of torque, while the 3.0-liter version increases output to 280 horsepower and 310 lb-ft, 420 Nm. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in the BJ80, a setup that will likely continue unchanged in the BJ81. For now, it's unclear whether BAIC plans to export the BJ81 beyond China. Given current trends and market positioning, it seems most likely that this off-roader will stay confined to domestic showrooms, at least for its initial launch.